Hey you guys, so welcome back to today's video. We're going to be doing a PR haul, as you guys can see right here. I have a bunch of makeup that I had received in the past week, so I figured that instead of doing Instagram story all on it, we might as well just do a video because then we can talk about it some more and you guys can see everything. So if there is something that you guys see in this PR haul that you guys want me to elaborate more on, then just let me know. I have a few things that I'm plan on doing, like a full-on swatch and review for you guys, but there are some things in here I have no idea what it is, so let's get to it. So the first thing that they sent was this Carity Matte 21 Highly Pigmented Matte Eyeshadows. You guys, this is so freaking colorful. Look at how crazy this is. Now, I have never tried eyeshadows from Carity, but I have seen a bunch of fellow influencers use them, and they look so good on their eyes, and they always talk about how pigmented they are. I do know they sent a card, and it said for every palette that you buy, Carity will donate a meal to an animal in need. So I know that they've teamed up with it says Palettes for Paws right here. So I do know that they've teamed up with the SPCA shelters to contribute to our community as well as our furry friends. I think that's awesome. I know a lot of you guys always ask about colorful palettes, and this would be a great one. Look at how pigmented that is. So that there's Cancun. We'll try Alexi. This one is Enchant, which is a bright blue. Look at that. It definitely does stain your hands, which is fine. Typically, brighter colors like this do tend to stain my eyes, but it goes away after a little bit. Not a big deal. I'm actually really excited to play with this. I can definitely see something really fun and tropical coming in this. They also sent over some of their brow products, and then it looks like they sent over a crease brush, which is going to be perfect for right on the outer crease, and this is their Carity E30. So the next box I have is by e.l.f., and it looks like they sent over a collection of their primers. This here is America's #1 primers. So we have the Oil Control Primer Mist, the Poreless Face Primer, Prep, Hydrate, and Balm, and then we have the Beauty Shield, which is an SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer. I actually have not tried that. So I got another box from e.l.f. as well. So the first thing they sent over was this Lemon Infused Brightening Mask. So they also sent over 2 palettes, which is something I really wanted to play with. I don't know if you guys have tried these out. The first one is the Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. This one's called Sunset. And then a Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette, and it's Birds of Paradise. And then I got really excited about this one, which is a Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette. And this one is all greens, you guys. And then they sent over this booster drops. These are antioxidant, and they are a lightweight booster that supercharges your beauty products. And then they also sent over the Beautifully Bare Natural Glow Lotion. So the next package we have here is by Pop Beauty. This here is the, what are these? Their new Pop Your Pout with Topper Popper Metallic Lip Stains. Oh, this is adorable. You guys, look at this freaking bag. It's like a holographic pink bag. So inside the bag, they put in their new metallic lip stains, and there are a total of 6 shades. So here's a close-up of them. We have Cream Popper, Peach Popper, Copper Popper, which is a little bit more of like an orange tone, Pink Popper, which is right here. Then we have Red Popper, and then this last one is called a Violet Popper. Oh, that explains it. So also, because I was trying to figure out why they won't come off, they're also long-lasting and smudge-proof. So kind of like in between. I wonder if you can use it on your eyes. Never know. I'm so excited, you guys. So they sent over this PR bag, and they sent over 2, but this is the first one that they sent. And when I opened it, I like almost cried my eyes out, you guys. Like, this is filled. Oh, let me show you guys. Filled with liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, all that jazz. I feel so fancy. So the very first set we have here is their full vinyl lip lacquers. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So here is what the wand looks like. It's very different than what I'm used to. This one is more of a pointed shape, which is awesome, especially if you don't like using lip liners. This serves as like a lip lacquer and a lip liner in one, so you can be really precise with it along the edges. So the very first shade, we're just going to do them right here. This one here is called Spin Me, which is like this deep really deep red wine color. Almost dries as like a reddish brown. It's really cool. This one here, oh my gosh, is called You're No Good, and it's this beautiful pink color. It's not super bright, but it's not dull. I think it's like the perfect pink. This one here is called Call Me, and this is more of like your true baby Barbie pink. It literally reminds me of like the Barbie convertible that they sell for the Barbie houses. This is the one I was wearing the other day. This one here is called Someone to Love. And then the last one I have is called Avon, which is a true red. So the next set that they sent over are the vinyl lip glosses, I believe is what they're called. The velvet lip glides, I'm sorry, but these are basically their glosses. If you guys like nude glosses, and you guys know me, I absolutely freaking love glosses, you're gonna enjoy this swatch party. This is all nude glosses. All right, so the very first one we have is called Xenon, then we have Roseland, then we have Mars, then we have Paradise Garage, and the very last one is called Swing. I will say that the very first one, Xenon, this one here at the very top, I feel like is a little bit more glossier than the other ones. This one I feel like needs a little bit more layers. The other ones, they're not like clumpy at all. They're very full coverage as far as like the pigment goes, but they're not sticky, which is awesome. So I'm so excited about these. Again, you guys know how much I love glosses. This is definitely like right up my alley. And then they also sent a collection of their vinyl lip lacquers, I believe is what they're called. Yeah. They're full vinyl lip lacquers. The packaging on these is so completely different than anything else, which I think is so cool. And there's a couple in here that I'm so excited to test out. So the next package I have, I think I'm most excited about, you guys, because it is actually from a subscriber. It was really cool. She asked if she could send me something, and I was like, of course, why not? So thank you so much, Jennifer. This means the world to me. It's so awesome, you guys. So, oh my gosh, she used Hello Kitty wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These are makeup brush holders. You guys, I absolutely love them. You guys, this is so beautiful. I love purple, and I think she knows that, and it's so cool. Oh, I cannot thank you enough. This is so beautiful. I just absolutely love them. Oh, they're so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Clean up my eyes. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the next box I got, which my plan is to do a full-on swatch and review of this. I'm going to do this after this video, my plan is, or probably tomorrow, because I'm supposed to go to the pool here in a little bit. But you guys, when this came out, I was so excited. I literally almost went out to Ulta and bought it. Like, I was ready to go out and buy it, and my husband was like, you got some packages. Came home. So this is the Born to Run palette. You guys, I was so excited about this. I've heard so many great reviews from a bunch of my fellow influencers talk about it. They sent a little setting spray to go so I can always travel with it. Some eyeliners right here, which are amazing. Oh, and then one fell in my boob. And then the lipsticks that go along. So I definitely want to save this because my plan is to do a full video on it, and I want to do a tutorial on it. So thumbs up this video if you guys want to see that. I love the packaging. You guys see this? It's like a suitcase, and then it says, look me in the eyeliner, and say that. So that's pretty cool. I also did get this water bottle sent to me from Too Faced, which is a collaboration that they did with BKR, and it says there's a chance this isn't water. I thought this was so cute, so thank you so much, Too Faced, for even thinking about me and sending me something as adorable as this. I did also receive another bag from NARS. This here is their Endless Summer Collection, is what their PR kit says, as you guys can see. Again, my plan is to do a full-on swatch and review of this, so this is going to be a video all on its own. Launch date for this is in July. I'm so excited. I literally just got this yesterday, and I was like, what the hell? All right, I don't know who this is by, but look at how cool this packaging is. It's like a towel or something. Oh, there it is. There's something. All right, let's open it up. Oh my God, it's a head wrap. Oh, how adorable. It's a head wrap in white. Damn it. I love white, and I hate white too because I have red hair, and red gets everywhere. These are the Avon Peel Off Masks, or their mask collection. Oh, ooh, I've never tried skincare from Avon. I do miss their bubble bath though. Their bubble bath, man, I always love that catalog. So the white one here is the Purify Clay Mask. Then you have the green one, which is a calming face mask. And then the peach one, which is a brightening clay mask. Then they also sent me the Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. Oh, I'm definitely going to try this. This looks awesome. And then they sent me a brush to apply it with, which I actually need a new one. I was looking at the one that I used to apply it, and I was like, that is dingy. And then a towel. Oh, that towel's so soft. Oh, so nice. The last box I got is from Dermalogica. Ooh! I actually just talked about this in my skincare video. I'm so excited about this, which I promise I have to edit it, but it's coming, you guys. It's coming. This here is the Banish Breakout and Blackhead collection. Dermalogica came out with like another brand, not another brand, another line. And it's like their Fresh Start or Good Start or something like that line. And it's got like anything you could use for like acne and breakouts and stuff like that. I use their face wash. It's awesome. I love it so much. And this here is the Banish Breakout and Blackhead bag. All right, so inside the bag comes with 2 products, or 4, but 2 of each, which I believe is part of their new line that they just added to. And this first one is the Bye Bye Breakout Clearing Booster. So it's a like a spot clearer. So you basically just put it on the, you know, the acne mark that you have. This one retails for $21, as does this one. This one is a mask. So this is going to have a fizzing clearing mask, which I'm actually excited to try. This one also is $21 and uses 2 to 3 times a week. This is awesome. I'm so excited. So that there is my PR haul. Let me know if there's anything in here that you guys want me to test out further. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. That way you guys can be a part of my family. Also, if you're already subscribed, just make sure that you have that little bell, a notification bell, whatever that thing's called. Just hit that damn thing. So that way you guys know when I throw up a video. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.